Hello students, welcome back to today's video class. From 19th you are having your assessment 4, means unit test 4. As we have already completed our final term syllabus, we have nothing to do any more new things. Just go on doing the revision work. So in this video class also I am going to give some revision. In the last video class I have explained you or give you revision on this chapter air and water. By continuing this revision work, today I am going to give the revision of this chapter again. From importance of air, as you know that the importance of air is very important to us because we get oxygen from the air, we get carbon dioxide from the air and so many other gases which are very important for us. Okay, it also helps it to regulate the weather temperatures, etc. It brings rainfall. So there are so many facts are there for which air is very important to us. Okay, so in this respect, the main importance of this air is the respiration. As you know, the respiration is the process in which we need oxygen, is burns with glucose to give out carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and with that we get energy by using from those energy we are using for our daily uses, such as we are walking, sleeping, playing, all these due to the energy that we get after respiration. Okay, so respiration means if you say the word equation, glucose plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water plus energy. Next importance of the air is the photosynthesis. It's very important. Without photosynthesis, plants will be not able to prepare their food. If plants don't prepare their food, then all other we say heterotrophic animals or organisms will not get food, because only plants are the living organisms that have ability to prepare their own foods, means they are autotrophs. Okay, so to prepare food, plants need carbon dioxide. Okay, for the processes, one of the important component of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Without carbon dioxide, plants cannot prepare their food. Carbon dioxide, when synthesized with water in the presence of sunlight is trapped by the green pigment of the plant, that is called chlorophyll, to give glucose plus oxygen. Okay, so these are the importance of photosynthesis also. How? Without it, no other organism will survive, because all the heterotrophs directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Okay, so photosynthesis is another importance of air. Okay, next importance is the burning or combustion. Burning is combustion. What is burning and combustion? Burning means when something catches fire, it burns. So the whole process, when something catches fire in the presence of, means the oxidation takes place to produce heat and light, is called combustion. Combustion sometimes is slow combustion, fast combustion, it may be rapid combustion also. So there are three types of combustions: slow combustion, fast combustion and rapid combustions. So in this way, so combustion means and the substance which catches fire or burns to produce heat and light, they are called fuels also. Fuels like petroleum products like LPG, kerosene, petrol, diesel that we get from the crude oil by refining them in the oil refineries by the process called fractional distillation. Side by sides, they are very they catches fire very easily. But other fuels are also there, like wood is also a fuel, coal is also a fuel. Then another rapid combustion source by the fuel, that is the natural gas or CNG, compressed natural gas. They are important fuels, clean fuels, eco-friendly fuels, but all these fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. So we should use them very judicially and economically so that our future generations can use it for long time. Okay. As you know, they are replenished to take millions of years. Okay, so when fuels oxidations takes place with on fuels, means fuel plus oxygen, it gives heat and light, carbon dioxide, and with water vapor also. So they are important. Next is the essential nutrients. Essential nutrients is one of the is nitrogen. It's a 78% is nitrogen, but we don't have a ability to take this nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. To take this nitrogen direct from air, we need some other processes, because plants also don't have ability to take the nitrogen from the atmosphere. So how we get this nitrogen? This atmospheric nitrogen are converted into soluble nitrates by some processes and mix it to the soil. They are called nitrogen fixation. It is done by so many processes are there, by lightning, during lightning, then nitrogen fixation process is there for symbiotic relationships, some microorganisms like rhizobium, then some earthworms are also have ability to trap atmospheric nitrogen, use them, and from their excretory products it mixes it to the soil. So earthworms also called farmers friend also. So by the process of different process of nitrogen fixation, we get atmospheric nitrogen, okay, which are very essential source of our nutrients, because it helps to synthesize our protein to convert into amino acids, which helps us in our growth. Nitrogen is also important components of chlorophyll present in the plants. Then in this way now, so these are the important nutrients and uses of the plant nitrogen. Next is the air pollution. This is a very big problem nowadays. This is a pollution. The unwanted things that mix to the air, water, and soil are called pollutants. So there are so many air pollutants. Main sources of air pollutants are, first one is the combustion of fuels. When we burn these fuels, they produce so many harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, which pollutes the air. Okay, and sometimes due to incomplete combustion, they also produce some harmful gases, that poisonous gas, that is called carbon monoxide. After that, gaseous emission from the factories and industries. Factories, so many gases are emitted through the chimneys. They are also one of the cause of air pollution, because they are responsible for respiratory problem. Mainly they causes the respiratory problems. After that, agricultural activity. So many times actually what happened, farmers used to burn their husk and other agricultural waste products in their farming land. Okay, so that may also cause a huge amount of smokes to come out from there, which pollutes the air. Okay, so after that, decaying of organic waste also produce some harmful gases like methane gas, which is also a very important source of air pollution. Then decay, natural phenomena like volcanic eruptions, mainly volcanic eruptions. When volcanoes erupt, so many gases with lavas comes out, which also one of the main cause of air pollution. Then atomic and nuclear emissions. Atomic nuclears are very harmful pollutants because their radiation can, if their radiation is uncontrolled, it may affect our immune system also, and our total future generation will be affected by this. Now, the effects of air pollution. Air pollution has so many side effects. In this respect, first is the health hazards. We have so many health hazards, such as respiratory problems. We may have respiratory problems like asthma, allergies, lungs disease, lungs cancer, and sometimes eye, skin, and heart diseases. Next is the environmental hazards. How it harms the environment, because due to the air pollution, photosynthesis causes damage to the vegetations. It means due to pollution, photosynthesis process is affected. Sulfur dioxide forming rain, which may cause the acid rain, which even damages and kills the plants, animals, pollutes make the soil acidified, and it also damages the buildings and material made of marble and metals. Global warming is another important problem, very serious problem to ours, because due to this global warming, whole earth average temperature is increasing day by day, which leads to the melting of polar ice caps, and it will increase the water level in the seas and oceans, and coastal areas under flooded. So the harmful greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, which has ability to trap more sunlight. So increase of this carbon dioxide in the air are rapidly absorbing more sunlight and heat, which makes the average Earth's atmosphere higher. So increase in the temperature of the Earth atmosphere due to the increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases is called global warming. Okay, so since the air pollution is a serious problem nowadays, that means we have to do some measures. Take some measures to control this air pollution. So what we should do to control air pollution? First, we should grow more trees. Setting up factories in non-residential areas, means away from the cities. Using eco-friendly and non-polluting products. Saying no to the defecations. Minimize the wastage. Control deforestation or try to stop deforestation, and promote afforestation. And we should also follow the guidelines given by our government, Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, and the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes. The guideline when we follow, so we can, in this way we can, definitely one day will come, we will get success to control the air pollution. So it is the duty of all the citizens of a nation to take all the measures to control air pollution. Okay students, best of luck for your unit test 4, and go through the chapters properly. Class 6, you will be having your exam on 29 January. I have already explained you the guidelines regarding the exam procedures. The online examination process will be followed in this. So hope you will all follow the rules and regulations or guidelines told by me. Okay students, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.